How'd you freaking get that face? Okay, I need to go to the hangar. Come on, guys, we gotta go to the hangar. Straight ahead right here, let's go.
Hey guys, it's Lauren. Today I'm going to be doing a Draw My Life video. I know I'm a little late for making one of these. They used to be really popular like when I first joined last year, but I didn't have time to really share my life.
I see him. I see the star.
I haven't really said a lot about my life. I'm a little nervous to do so, but you guys have been so supportive and so awesome that for you guys to celebrate me hitting 25,000 subscribers. Well, now it's already. It's going so.
Hey, come on, man. We not trying to leave you.
July 7th, aka the day became amazing. And apparently I was put into a straight jacket.
Now leaving. I like that effect right there.
I think I was trying to draw
I like that. Whoa.
Some sorts. I was born into a family of my mom, dad, and my little sister Chrissy. 2 years later, my younger brother Brian was born, and our family was. I had an amazing childhood, and ever since I was born, I'm super close with my family. We travel all over and do all of these really cool things. One of the things we like to do is go camping all over the place. We would go camping in an RV, but I didn't run. So this is something kind of trying.
Hey guys, this is for all my Arianators out there. Whoop whoop! Draw My Life has invited me to draw my life. Thanks guys, here it is.
Is that the stalker?
I was born Ariana Grande, which was ironic because I'm so small. My birthday is June 26, 1993, and I was born in Boca Raton, Florida. My mom, Joan Grande, is the CEO of a telephone and alarm systems company. My dad, Edro Bojera, owns a graphic design company. I have one older brother, Frankie, who's a musical theater actor and has his own YouTube channel. My name was inspired by Princess Oriana from Felix and the Cat, which is funny because I'm allergic to cats.
Oh my God, not trouble now. He died. He died.
What's the code?
Stalker, I need help. I'm reloading here. I'm scared, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
The Diamond Minecraft, there's to you.
Damage to the stalker. I got the most damage, you guys. 235.
Diamond
Let's freaking
Minecraft.
go. Oh my gosh, I earned 76 points.
And because I dress up in cat ears all the time.
Let's see what we can do on points. Wow. I didn't know.
I've always liked dressing up. When I was a kid, my mom thought I would become a serial killer because I always used to dress up Halloween masks all year round. Growing up, I only ate organic food and fish. Meow. Just to clarify, I'm not a cat. My inspiration to pursue a career in the music industry came when I was 8, and the legendary Cuban singer Gloria Estefan complimented me when she heard me singing on a cruise ship. That was also the age at which I stopped growing. When I was 10, I founded my own youth singing group. I also worked at Lauderdale Children's Theater. My first theater performance was as Amy, and that was before I even had my red hair. I made my U.S. television debut singing the Star Spangled Banner before a Florida Panthers ice hockey game. I loved singing so much when I was 14. I flew to L.A. to speak to music agents and pitched them the idea for my own R&B album, OG Gangster Grande. They said no, sadly. But then I landed a role as a cheerleader in the Broadway musical 13, even though I was 15. Shh.
Okay.
In 2009, I auditioned for a new Nickelodeon show, Victorious.